Yo, what's up guys, Mario. Well, what I bring you today in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem free clothing in PUBG Mobile. If you top up like 120 UC, 28 UC, I think it's gonna be 28 UC. If you top up that, you will get a free crate, and I will show you exactly. And I will put the link in the description below, so go ahead, click on it. I will show you right now, like that. So it will automatically normally detect it. If it not, you have to do it like copy your ID from the game. The next thing you're gonna do is just go to top up, and if you are out of Europe, you have to select the other country right there. Click on other, and then log in. Log in with your Facebook if you connected it with Facebook. Either way, you can enter player ID, which you can copy from the game. And next thing, you're gonna click on proceed, and you have to select a payment method. I'm gonna use Razer Gold one. So I'm gonna choose the 210 UC because it allows me only like this option right here. So then click on the next to it will take you to Mall Global. You put your password in it, ID password, and next. Wait a second. Yep, right there. You have to click confirm. You have to have the balance like 299 in your mall account. Click next. And wait a second. Let me verify it real quick. Okay, click confirm. And now it's done. Go back. You can close this window, go back to this website, click refresh button. You will see right here, get one draw. Click on one draw right now, and let's see. Okay, so these are the things you can get from it. It's really free. You have to top up and come here on this website, and you can get one of these every time you top up. So let me show you in game. It's legit. Wait. Um, right there. Click play. It's gonna take a while. So as you can see, I got an inbox saying I got this item that I showed you earlier, and it will yeah, it will show you that you purchased like you see here right there. You can see. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification to get the latest tricks and tips for PUBG, etc. So